Hello, welcome to our Lean meetings. My name is Arek Zwierzchowski, and today I'm going to present you two tools which may help you to standardize your process or to check if you have standard. If not, then they will help you to standardize it. So the tools are standard work combination sheet and standard worksheet. Usually they go together. The standard combination sheet. What you have to do, you need to describe the steps of your process or the part of the process you want to standardize. Next, you make measurements of each particular step, how long it takes to perform this step, and here you visualize the type of work. You have four categories: manual, automatical, walking, and awaiting. For example, here you have some machine launched, and during the operation time you walk, you do something, here you wait. So this is some kind of summary by numbers and by graphics. And at the end you make a summary of the time calculated, measured, and you check your cycle time and compare it with the takt time to check if you match the takt time defined by the client. If you exceed it, it means that you will not finish on time unless you implement some remedy actions in your processes. So these tools helps you to visualize activities, the steps, the types, and the duration. If you repeat the sequence, the same observed sequence of steps, and if you repeat the measurements observations, you may check if you keep the standard, because if the total cycle time is different, you may conclude that you don't keep the standard in your process, especially if the deviation is big. If it exceeds the takt time, the problem is even bigger, because you need to squeeze it to be on time. And by this visualization, you have precise information which steps in your process are problematical ones, and you can address your actions directly to these steps to optimize. Here's another form of visualization of almost the same. I've been talking about it during the cycle time measurements, which is in our different lecture. Okay. Now about the standard worksheet. This is called also spaghetti diagram, because you visualize the physical movement or your employees in the process. For example, these steps 1, 2, 3, 4 are visualized here on the layout. You just mark, you can just draw on this drawing the physical movement. That's why later it resembles a little bit spaghetti. So when you have this and when you have this, you may conclude that you have quite a lot sometimes waste of walking and waiting, resulting just with improperly organized and not optimally organized layout of your work. So these two tools together gives you quite a lot of information that may be helpful to your process improvement. I hope it was helpful. I encourage you to try. And I would like to invite you to our next Lean meeting. Thank you very much.